I'm Dave and welcome to Rhythm Guitar for Absolute Beginners. In part 6 we looked at another minor chord, D minor. For this we practiced the 12-bar blues, but this time it was a minor blues and it was in the key of A minor. And we used A minor, D minor and E. So we're going to play this slightly slower with a slightly different rhythm pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the minor blues progression in A minor with A minor, D minor and E minor. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.